Good morning, everyone, and welcome back. I am a former IRS employee trying to help you guys navigate the IRS's operating system. I want to give you this information as a tool of support for when you call the IRS and you have a greater understanding of what to expect. So I'm reading your comments and I'm hearing your concerns. And I think another topic of discussion that I wanted to kind of touch on a little bit is there is a department within the IRS called the Underreporting Department. And what happens with that is that anything that causes a taxable event, meaning it causes a form to be created and submitted to the IRS as a source of income for you. That could be things such as you selling a home, you selling a stock, a 1099-C, a cancellation of debt, a 1099 miscellaneous, if you are a contractor. It's not just your wages that's reported, your unemployment, anything that's a taxable event, and it creates a form. Maybe you borrow from your 401k. Maybe you borrow from your deferred compensation. All of those things creates a taxable event. And so what happens with the under reporting department is that so in the year that you file your taxes, that information is reported to the IRS. But maybe sometimes you didn't realize that you had that taxable event and you filed your taxes with what you had, let's say your W-2 or maybe your unemployment. And then a year or two later, the underreporting department will send you a letter and say, hey, you filed your taxes, but this information, this income was reported to us as well. And they will propose a tax increase. So sometimes that results in a balance due, sometimes it doesn't. But that information, they're giving you the opportunity to uh, either agree to what they propose or amend your taxes, right? So sometimes, you've already received the refund for that year, and then 2 years later, they're saying, hey, this is the income that we received, and you didn't report it, so now, you have a balance owed. Okay, so some people, they say, yeah, I don't know why I owe this balance. They telling me that they audited me and they telling me that I owe this balance. Sometimes it's the underreporting department, and unfortunately, it takes them about 2 years sometime to reach out to you. I don't know if they're backlogged or not, but yeah, that is an issue. And you may ask, well, why would they let me file my tax return if they knew that income was wasn't reported? Again, they give you the opportunity to file your own accurate tax return. So it's frustrating, but it is sometimes it's what happens. So I hope this helps as well.